Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Piyush Goyal, and today we are diving into another topic in application management. We will explore the various deployment mode and the tool and techniques for deploying and managing applications effectively. So let's begin our journey into this essential aspect of the platform. So when it comes to deploying the applications, we have two main modes of operation, local mode and enterprise mode. In local mode, the tool directly works with the local file system without involving any other components. This is handy for developer during the software development and testing phase. Basically, it simplifies the testing and debugging process. With local mode, we can work on the application right on our machine. I mean, there is no need for fancy setups or complicated environments. Just you, your computer, and your application. This local mode saves us time and headache. I mean, we can picture it as a safety net where we can catch problems early so we can fix them quickly and keep our project on track. Next, let's talk about the enterprise mode. This mode streamlines communication among components by centralizing it through the BW agent network. It simplifies deploying application across multiple machines in the distributed environment, ensuring consistency and reliability at every step of the way. Enterprise mode enables more complex operations by leveraging the availability of domains and app spaces across machines, essentially forming a network of interconnected components. This results in smoother deployments and optimized resource utilization. So whether we are deploying application across multiple machines, enterprise mode is the key to take our deployment process to the next level. Next, let's talk about how we can switch between local and enterprise mode in our system. To accomplish this, we have two methods. First, using the BW admin command line tool. And second, by configuring the bwagent.ini config file. So let's look at the first method. The BW admin command line tool. Simply enter BW admin mode local to switch to local mode. Similarly, to switch to enterprise mode, we can write command BW admin mode enterprise. So basically on command line, these two commands will be used to switch between the modes. Alternatively, we can configure the bwagent.ini file directly. For local mode, we can set the property bw.admin.mode to local to enable the local mode. And for enterprise mode, we can set the bw.admin.mode to enterprise. Basically, these straightforward methods allow us to seamlessly switch between the modes, ensuring our system operates optimally for different environments. This is a quick handy guide which all TIBCO developers should know. Thank you guys. That is all for today.